everyone, I wholeheartedly welcome everyone to today's video. Here I am Mayuk and you are watching Mayuk Creation YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use graphite powder, and I will also show you how you can make graphite powder in your home. Using graphite powder, you can make your drawing like this and etc. So without wasting any more time, let's start today's video. So friend, these are the materials we need to make graphite powder. Friend, this cutter is optional, you can take, but I will not take, so I will keep in aside. Okay. So friend, you need a cap, bottle cap for storing the graphite. You can also use a box and pencil and a sharpener, which are most important thing. So what you have to do is that you have to simply sharp your pencil. Okay, you have to simply sharp your lead, not the wood. You have to keep remember that you have to sharp your lead, not the wood. So sharp it. So I am sharpening the lead, not the wood. So some wood can become that is some different way, but don't means sharp the whole wood. So after sharpening, you will see that some graphite are coming out. So this is called the graphite powder. So I have sharp my lead, and I will so you can see that some graphite have been come out. So this is our graphite powder. So I am sharpening more. So after sharpening, I got only this much. Okay. So now I will use this graphite powder to draw. So I will also show you how you can draw using this graphite powder. So let's start. So this is the image. So what you have to do is that simply you have to put the graphite powder in your side using a brush. Using a brush, you have to blend the whole background. So I'm taking a flat brush and I'm going to put it in our background like this. You simply follow these steps and you will find that an amazing background have been created. Friend, remember, you do it carefully. Friend, it is not that you have to use only the brush for the blending. You can use more things, like you can use a cloth. Okay, cloth is a very good option. You can use blending stumps, but blending stumps I think you cannot use because it will take a lot of time. So brush you can take, blending means a cloth you can take, and many more are there which you can take to make your background attractive. So after blending, I got this type of a background, a very creative background. You can see a blurry background, right? So I am now making the outline more darker. So this is the part 1 of this video. I will give you the last part in the next video. So this total video is based on graphite powder and it uses on its background. So I will give you this part, means the final part in the next video. So that's all for today.